Ready to unlock seamless access to your financial data across your favorite apps? Let's dive into creating a Plaid account. First, head over to Plaid.com in your web browser. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner, and give it a click. You'll be presented with a sign-up form. Enter your email address, full name, and create a strong, secure password. Make sure to use an email you have easy access to, as you'll need it for verification. Now, check your email inbox. You should find a verification email from Plaid. Open it up and click the verification link inside to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, you'll be redirected to the Plaid Dashboard. Here, you'll find options to start linking your bank accounts. Click the Link Account button to begin. Plaid will open its secure link interface. Search for your bank or credit union in the search bar. If you don't see it right away, try different variations of the name. Select your bank, and you'll be prompted to enter your online banking credentials, your username and password directly through Plaid's secure interface. Plaid never stores these credentials. Depending on your bank, you might be asked to complete a multi-factor authentication step, like entering a code sent to your phone or email. After successful authentication, your bank account will be linked to your Plaid account. You can now use your Plaid linked account with supported apps for secure data sharing. That's all there is to it.